Hi there, this class is regarding on Material Master Record in SAP Materials Management. Let's get started right away. Now I'm explaining theoretically, then I'll be explaining practically in SAP system. Remember, in previous class we have discussed about the various master records in SAP Materials Management. They are Material Master, Vendor Master, Purchasing Info Record, Source List, Quota Arrangement, and Service Master. In this class we are going to discuss about Material Master. What is Material Master? Material Master is one of the most significant master records in SAP Materials Management. Literally, this one has got data and information about the material that company procures, makes and sells. Material Master contains views and fields. Material Master will play a vital role in SAP MM, because this one will be used by all modules in SAP Logistics, especially when we are procuring material from the supplier, when we are selling the stuff to the customer, and we are making some purchasing documents, sale documents, we use this Material Master. In simple words, Material Master says the whole information about the particular material. Let us discuss some views and fields in Material Master in MM perspective. Basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, general plan data storage 1, accounting 1. These are the views. So under this basic data 1 view, we can see this material description, base unit of measure like pieces, kgs, material group. Material group is nothing but grouping of several materials, same physical attributes like plastics, rubbers, etc. Then we can maintain the weight of the product like net weight, gross weight. Coming to basic data 2, we do maintain the engineering drawings of the material. Then in purchasing view, we do maintain purchasing group, order unit, GR processing time, and etc. Purchasing group can be a buyer or group of buyers will be dealing procurement activities for the organization. Purchasing group is a subdivision of purchasing organization. Order unit. Let's say there is a supplier, they are selling in terms of cases. Like one case contains 9 pieces. So in that way we can maintain order unit in our purchasing view. Then we have got GR processing time. GR processing time is nothing but a time between the inspectioning and placing the stuff into unrestricted use. It comes in number of work days. General plan data storage 1 view. Here we do maintain shelf life mainly. If the product is cosmetics, that will be having shelf life. Let's take one commodity, chemical. If you see on that packaging like bottle, you will be able to see the batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date, then the batch time, batch number, and everything will be there. So those kind of products will be having shelf life. That details can be maintained in our general plan data storage 1. Then in general plan data storage 2, we do maintain the weight of the product, which is similar to our basic data 1 view. If we maintain in basic data 1 view the weight of the product, no need to maintain in general plan data storage 2 view. Then coming to our accounting 1 view, we do maintain valuation class. So this one will be linked to our material type via through our account category reference in OMSK transaction code. This one will be assisting in our automatic account determination. Then we do maintain price control like moving average price, standard price. If it is raw material, most of the times we use moving average price. If it is finished product, we do maintain that standard price most of the times. I have listed some T codes which are being used in materials management of our material master record. Kindly go through. Mainly we use this MM01, MM02, MM03. MM01 is meant for creating a material. MM02 is meant for changing a material. MM03 is meant for display material. Then MM60 material list, like under one plant how many materials we have got, what all are the materials we have got. So those details can be seen in MM60. Coming to MM50, let's say I have created one material with some views. Later I came to know that I haven't maintained one particular view. Okay, now I want to maintain that view for that particular material. Can I maintain? Yes. How? By using transaction code MM50. Then MMBE is the transaction code to check the stock for the particular material with respect to plant and storage location. Then coming to MMAM transaction code to change the material type. Let's say I have created one material with ROH material type. Then I didn't do any procurement activities. I haven't done any GRN. I didn't pay the money to vendor as well. Now can I change the material type for that particular material? Yes, I can change the material type. How? By using transaction code MMAM. Okay. Almost we are about to complete our theoretical part, material master record. Here I have listed some different types of materials which I am going to deal in SAP system. Okay, raw materials, semi-finished in-house production, semi-finished external, finished, and etc. Let's seal the deal. Here we go. /n MM01. I'm going to create one raw material. I want to leave this material field as blank because system will be creating one material number automatically. Industry sector, automotive industry, let it be material type, raw material, right? I have got some material type which I have configured. We knew very well material type does a great job in SAP MM. In material master, it controls so many things. Material number will be depending on our material type only. I want to choose this raw material BE1. Enter. Let me choose the views for my material. Since I am going to create a raw material, I need to set this purchasing bill, which is a vital one for our raw material case. General plan data 1 and 2 storage. Okay. Then let me choose this accounting one view. Click on organizational levels. Plant LD1 is my plant. LD1R is the thing. I need to keep this material in LD1R storage location. Raw materials. You see, I have got the material number. Material description. I'm going to say door 9 feet. Base unit of measure pieces. Material group. Press F4. Search help. I have got list of material groups. Let me choose wood material because I am creating a door, right? Try to get that wood material group. If you don't see it, go for customization. Transaction code OMSF. Here you see I have got this material group wood products. Let me choose it 2568. Then I have got dimensions. Gross weight, let me say 80 kilograms. Net weight 70 kilograms. Net weight is nothing but product weight. It must be equal or lower than the gross weight. Gross weight is nothing but product weight plus some packaging weight. It should not be, this net weight should not be greater than the gross weight. As I told you earlier, in basic data 2, we do maintain the drawings of the material. In purchasing view, base unit of measure, pieces, it has come automatically from our basic data 1 view. You see order unit. Here you can tell the unit conversion, like one bag contains 20 pieces or one crate contains 80 pieces, one case contains 24 pieces, one tray contains 10 pieces. In that way you can view the order unit. Then purchasing group 351, which says TOEF PRD2. You see material group here. This one has come automatically from our basic data 1 view. Then I have got indicators like automatic PO indicator, batch management indicator. If it is batch material like chemicals or food stuff, we use this batch management indicator. This will be done in our purchasing view. Okay. Then only we will be able to perform the batch procurement. Then we have got purchasing value key. Purchasing value key is nothing but a key that determines the remainder days, tolerance limit, shipping instructions and acknowledgement required on the materials to the vendor. Press F4. Let me choose this one as a purchasing value key. Then GR processing time, which is nothing but a gap, a time between inspection and placing the material into storage. This one comes in number of working days. Let me say 2 days. Then I have got indicators like quota element usage, source list, critical part, post to inspection stock. So you can fill the things as per the requirements. Okay. Then coming to plant data storage 1 view, we can see the shelf life data. Here also we can see the batch management. Shelf life data can be filled here. Okay, like maximum storage period, time unit, minimum remaining shelf life. Okay. Plant data storage 2 view. Here you can maintain the weight if you haven't maintained in basic data 1 view. Then coming to accounting 1 view, we do maintain valuation class. Press F4, search help, you will get the valuation class. This valuation class has got a linkage with our material type through account category reference in OMSK transaction, which will be assisting in our automatic account determination process. Then we are dealing raw material. I have got a price control B, moving average price. Let me say 150 rupees, 150 Indian rupees. Enter. Then save the material. Now you see this material, raw material has been created successfully in the SAP system. Now let me create one semi-finished product, in-house production. Now we are into MM01 only. So I need to change the material type. I am looking for semi-finished good. Semi-finished product. Okay, that is the material type I am going to choose for this material creation. And let me choose basic data 1, basic data 2. Then this is meant for in-house production, so that I don't want to keep this purchasing view. I'm not going to procure this. Semi-finished product is nothing but work in progress material. Then I can choose accounting one view. Click on organizational levels. Plant is LD1. Then my storage location LD1. Yes, because I need to keep this material in storage location LD1S, semi-finished material. Now you see I have got the material 8642. WIP 2. That is a description. Unit of measure, pieces, material group. Let me say 00901, which says about steel. Okay, steel items. If you want, you can cross check. Equal 0901, right? You see here 00, not 000, 00901 says about steel items material group. Then the weight you can maintain 150 kgs, net weight 150. Now basic data 2 view, engineering drawings and things. Okay. Here you can maintain if you want shelf life data if it is eligible. Accounting one view. Here you can maintain your valuation class. Press F4. You will get valuation class for semi-finished product 0007. Then price control. Now we are dealing this product internally. It comes under in-house production. So that I need to choose this price control as standard price. So as per the requirements, depends on the requirement, you can choose the things properly. Okay. Price control. Standard price I have got, right? So let me choose some 280 Indian rupees. Okay. Enter. Save. I have created semi-finished product in-house production. Now let me create semi-finished product external procurement. Material type, let it be semi-finished product only. Just click on it. Select the views as per the requirements. Now I am going to procure this semi-finished product. So I will have to choose this purchasing view so that I can maintain the purchasing things. General plan data storage 1, general plan data storage 2, accounting 1. Click on organizational levels, LD1, LD1, yes, because semi-finished product. Now material I have got 8643 WIP external. Base unit of measure pieces, material group 2569, paint items. Weight 100 kgs. Net weight I'm going to say 85 kgs. Basic data 2. Fill the things as per the requirements. We are into purchasing view. I need to maintain my purchasing group 000. material group 2569, okay, which has come automatically from basic data 1 view. GR processing time, let me say 3 days. Enter, enter. Now we are into accounting 1 view. Here you can maintain the valuation class, semi-finished external 7910. Since it is external procurement, I can choose price control as moving average price V. You see, moving average price. Let me say 80. 80 Indian INR, means Indian rupees. Enter. Say. Now we have created 8643 semi-finished product externally. Got it. Now I am going to create finished product. Let me change the material. That's it. See, predominantly finished product will be having sale view because that one goes to the customer. Okay. So finished product is nothing but combination of many child materials. If you take any juice or something, okay, you will be seeing the packaging thing. On the top you will be seeing the lid. Inside the bottle you will be able to see the stuff, juice ingredients. If you club them, you will get one final recipe. So put together we call it as finished product. I don't want to choose purchasing view since I am not going to procure. To maintain the sale view, we should have sale point of enterprise structure, sale organization, distribution channel, divisions. Just let me give the clarifications with storage location and valuation class in accounting 1 view for finished product. Click on organizational levels, plant LD1. Let me say the storage location LD1F. F stands for finished products. You see, finished LD1F. I got the material number, bottled juice. Material group, detergents. Let me choose the right material group. Okay. If you don't find the right material group, press F4. Here, if you don't find the right material group, if you need, you can customize. How? By using transaction code OMSF. Now, go to transaction code OMSF. Go to new entries, then maintain your entries. Material group. Description, let me say drinking. Enter. Save. Now you see we have customized one material group in SAP system. Here you can see that 25800 drinking material group in the list. Here we go. Drinking. Choose it. Okay. The dimension 10 kgs. 10. Enter. Basic data 2. Fill the things as per the requirements. And data storage 1 and 2. In accounting one view, we can discriminate the material. Since we are dealing finished product, I need to choose finished product valuation class 7920. As I told you earlier, finished products will be having standard price. Most of the times you can see your standard price 45 Indian rupees. Enter. Save. Alright, we have created one finished product. So far what we have done, we have created one raw material, then we have created one semi-finished product in-house production, then we have created one semi-finished product external one, then we have created one finished product. In that way you can change the things in material type, in storage location things. Then in accounting one view you can maintain the valuation class as per the requirements. You will be able to create materials in SAP system. You got it? Then now let me show you some T codes which are significant in Material Master MM60. I want to see the list of materials under plant LD1. Whatever we have created in this class can be seen. Okay. Here you can see WIP2, WIP external. What else? We have created bottled juice. Okay. In that way. Then transaction code MM50. Extend material views initial screen. Here by using this transaction code for one particular material, if you want to extend the view, you can extend. Under LD1 I have got these materials. Okay, let me take this WIP external. So here I can extend the views. Okay, then MMB. So you can see the stock overview. LD1 material I am going to choose. This WIP external. Execute. You see here, I don't have any stock. The stock is 0 because I didn't procure anything. Okay. Once I procured in MMBE for this particular material, I'll be able to see the stock. Similarly, /n MMAM. You see here, you'll be able to change the material type for a particular material. Then we have got some special transaction codes also like MMR1. So by using this MMR1, we will be able to create only raw material special transaction codes. If you want to create any semi-finished product, directly you can go to MMB1. Okay, so you can give this MMB1 in command field, then you will be able to generate semi-finished products. Then finished product creation. For that you can use transaction code MMF1. Then we have got key code MM06, flag for deletion. Okay. Alright, I am done with the class. I hope this class helps. Kindly please make sure like, share and subscribe so that you will be getting my new classes. Thank you so much. Have a good day.